Okay, so this will be part 2 of the shag. We've gone ahead and cut it and blown it out, and now what we're gonna do is just help connect the top to the back, open some things up, create a little bit more movement. Sometimes when you go in, especially depending on the density of the hair, you have all of this nice movement through here, and then this just hangs and feels a little bit shelfy. So we're gonna go in and soften that up and just create a little bit more movement through the bottom. So I'm gonna section off into my 4 quadrants, and I'm gonna come right here at the occipital bone and clip that out of the way. So what we're gonna be doing is collapsing this through here, creating a little bit more of like a concave layer, which will help this fall in nicely and soften up this bottom without losing any of your perimeter. So I'm gonna pull everything straight up to the sky and take that off. Depending on texture, type, and density, you can go in a little more aggressive. You wanna make sure that your perimeter is falling out, because what you don't wanna do is cut into this perimeter. And you're just gonna keep moving all the way through the back, find your guide, take it off. And what that does is just collapses this bottom, softens up that line. That way, when this top section falls over, you have a little bit more movement to it. Now I'm gonna go in and connect our top layers that we cut through here to this back. That will just help give this a little bit more movement. And I'm basically pulling this up to the corner of the room. I'm using the shortest piece here as a guide, my longest piece through here, and just connect it. And if you're wanting to see a little bit more movement in here, you could always come here and take more of a square layer, and that'll open up a little bit more. And that just creates a little bit more movement through the back and softens this section in here. All right, that's how you help create some movement and texture into your long shag. I'm Charise with the Foundry at Foundry University. So make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you never miss another haircut. Thanks for tuning in.